name is Yannis Andreou. Today we're going to discuss a Victoria mortgage case study with a B lender. The purchase price is 1.4 million, the down payment 420,000, the loan to value 70%, the mortgage amount 980,000, the interest rate 3.99% for 2 years with a 30-year amortization and a monthly payment of $5,829.27. The credit score is A685, which is very good for the client. The client had a bankruptcy that was discharged just 2 months ago. The annual income is 240,000. The debt rate is under 25%, and the exit strategy is to transition to an A lender in 2 years, as we have to meet the 2-year requirements that A lenders have for a significant credit event. And as long as the client stays on track, she will be able to qualify in 2 years. Thank you so much for listening, and have a wonderful day.